Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to solve an issue many of us face, lagging mouse or keyboard. So let's start. First, let's start on checking hardware connections. Ensure that your mouse and keyboard are properly connected to the computer. Make sure the cables are securely plugged in, or if you're using wireless peripherals, check the batteries and connectivity. If possible, try your mouse and keyboard on a different computer to see if the issue is specific to your current system. And sometimes, background software or applications can interfere with input devices. Close unnecessary programs and check if the lag persists. Next is try adjusting mouse and keyboard settings. Sometimes overly sensitive or delayed settings can lead to input lag. To adjust mouse settings, click on the Windows icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. Type Mouse Settings in the search bar and select the Mouse Settings option that appears. In the Mouse Settings window, you'll see a slider under Cursor Speed. Adjust this slider to control the sensitivity of your mouse movement. Moving the slider to the left decreases sensitivity, while moving it to the right increases sensitivity. To access additional mouse settings, click on the Additional Mouse Options link located at the right side of the Mouse Settings window. In the Mouse Properties window that opens, go to the Pointer Options tab. You can enable or disable Enhanced Pointer Precision to control mouse acceleration, which affects how fast the cursor moves based on the speed of your mouse movement. Once you've adjusted the sensitivity and any other settings, click the Apply button, then click OK to save the changes. And to adjust keyboard settings. Similarly, click on the Windows icon and type Keyboard in the search bar, and select the keyboard option that appears. In the Keyboard Properties window, you'll see sliders under Repeat Delay and Repeat Rate. Adjust these sliders to control the sensitivity of your keyboard input. Increasing the repeat delay value adds a delay before a key begins repeating when held down. Once you've adjusted the sensitivity and any other settings, click the Apply button, then click OK to save the changes. Remember that finding the right sensitivity settings is a matter of personal preference and may require some trial and error. Make sure to test the adjusted settings to ensure they feel comfortable for your usage. The next option you can do is to try connecting your mouse and keyboard to different USB ports. Some ports might have better performance than others. And also don't forget that malware and viruses can impact system performance, including input devices. You can run a thorough malware scan using reputable antivirus software. Just click on the Windows icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. Then type Virus and Threat Protection in the search bar and select the Virus and Threat Protection option that appears. In the Virus and Threat Protection option, locate for the Scan options and click it. In the Scan option, select Full Scan. Then click on Scan Now to start scanning your computer for viruses. This process might take some time, so feel free to continue with your work as the scan proceeds. Lastly, check for system resources. Insufficient system resources can lead to lag. Monitor your system's resource usage and close unnecessary processes that might be consuming too much power. To do that, press Ctrl+Shift+Escape to open Task Manager. In Task Manager windows, you'll see an overview of various system resources. Look for processes that are using a significant amount of resources. These could be applications, background processes, or system tasks. Identify which processes are causing high resource usage and consider whether they need to be running. You can usually right-click on a process and select End Task to stop a resource-intensive process. Be cautious when ending processes, as terminating critical system processes can lead to instability. If you've tried all the software-related solutions and still experience lag, it's possible that there's a hardware issue with your mouse or keyboard. Consider trying a different mouse or keyboard to see if the problem persists. That's it. We hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.